Today, I'm showing you a massive loophole to generate high-end cinematic AI videos completely for free. No credit limits, no subscription fees, and absolutely no watermarks. Yes, even with zero credits, this hidden trick still works. But why is nobody talking about this backdoor method? Well, in this video, I'm revealing the exact step-by-step loophole. Let's jump in. First, go to the Wan AI official website and log in simply with a Google account. You can immediately claim 10 speed credits just by completing the daily check-in. If you scroll down, you'll see a gallery of community-generated clips showing what this engine is capable of. The main interface offers 3 primary creation paths: create video, image, and AI avatar. Today, we are focusing on generating unlimited free video. If you want a masterclass on every single hidden setting, drop a comment saying full tutorial and I'll create that dedicated video for you. Let's start with text to video using the latest model Wan 2.7. The key to generating cinematic motion here is natural language formatted like a screenplay. Watch as I enter this specific prompt. Notice how I place the exact camera movement, the low angle, slow dolly push-in right at the very beginning of the paragraph. This is part of a structural prompting system called the capture technique. Most creators write the subject first, which often causes the AI to ignore the camera path. By defining the camera trajectory first and placing the character's physical energy like the smoke drifting and head tilt at the end, we force the AI's physics engine to generate highly stable, organic movement without glitches. Now, as a free user, you're locked to 720p, but you can select your aspect ratio. Keep the enhanced prompt switch on to sharpen the details. And to avoid waiting, toggle the credit switch on to fast track your render. Hit generate and look at that dynamic motion. Now, while this is completely unlimited, there is a catch. Once your daily fast credits run out, you're placed in a massive waiting queue that can take forever to render a single video. If you want to skip that frustration, I've discovered a few highly effective speed-up methods that let you bypass this free queue entirely, along with the complete step-by-step masterclass on how to use the capture framework to structure your prompts. Since I can't share these queue bypassing tricks or the full prompting blueprint here on YouTube due to platform rules, I've compiled the entire fast track system and my private templates into a single guide. To avoid the wait and start generating clean cinematic clips instantly, join our Tech Drop AI community on Patreon. The link is down in the description. The second method is image to video. Upload your starting frame and write your movement prompt. A valuable feature here is the audio drive. You can upload an audio track like a custom voiceover or background music, and the AI will auto-sync your static image into a sound-driven clip. When you upload your image, make sure to enable smart multi-shots. It acts as a camera director, generating multiple consistent camera angles while keeping your characters and environmental assets locked in place. The third method is creating frame-to-frame animations, which is incredibly useful for custom AI motion graphics. Simply upload both your starting frame and your ending frame. Then in the prompt box, describe the exact transition or animation style you want to see happen between the two images. Adjust your settings and hit generate. Take a look at these motion graphic renders. The transitions are incredibly smooth, allowing you to generate custom kinetic assets with a single click. Now let's remove the watermarks from your exported clips completely for free. Open a new incognito window and head over to watermarkremover.io. Upload your generated video file. You have two options: auto mode or manual erase. For clean results, choose manual erase. Simply brush over the watermark area at the bottom and click apply. Once processed, the tool will generate a clean, watermark-free 5-second preview. Since our free generations are capped at 5 seconds anyway, this preview represents your entire video clip. Just click download and you have your clean asset ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to Tech Drop, and join our Patreon community. See you in the next one.